Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today I am sharing with you my famous recipe for spicy honey barbecue sauce. This is absolutely amazing. It goes perfect over your beef, your chicken, your pork. It goes good on absolutely anything. It is so finger licking good. Did I say looking or licking? It's finger licking good. It's finger licking good. But it's phenomenal, and you're going to love this recipe, and it's going to go perfect this weekend for your Memorial Day cookout. So let's go over what we're going to be using. I've got about 3/4 a cup of brown sugar in my little trusty measuring cup, my favorite measuring cup there. You're going to need about a cup of ketchup. I've got in here 3 cloves of garlic, just finely chopped. I've got some hot sauce in here. This is about a 1/3 cup, but I think I'm going to use a little bit more. I'm going to taste it to see. I like mine a little spicy. We're going to use some honey. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of honey, and you're going to use some soy sauce. And that is all that you're going to use. This comes together so quick, and it's so easy. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add your ketchup to your bowl or whatever you're going to mix it in. I usually like to use, I have a bigger measuring cup that I like to make my sauces in when I make them, but today just for viewing purposes so you can see the entire bowl here, I'm using this, and we're going to use our brown sugar there. All you're going to do is add everything into your bowl. That's basically it. Barbecue sauce is one of the easiest things to make. Next to spaghetti sauce, I love to make spaghetti sauce. And then you're going to use about 2 tablespoons of honey. This might take a minute. I just like to eyeball it. It's so good. And some hot sauce. And then you're going to use about 2 tablespoons of your soy sauce. And again, I'm just eyeballing it. And then you're just going to mix this all together. And that's all you do. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and taste it, see if I need to add anything else. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're welcome. You are so welcome for this. I'm going to add a little bit. Kind of went everywhere. I'm going to add just a little tiny bit more hot sauce for me. Normally I put like a 1/4 a cup in here, but I want it just a little bit more spicier, and this gives it just the perfect amount of spice. Just give it a stir, and that is absolutely all you do. Look at that. How quick, how easy, and how perfect is that? Your spicy honey barbecue sauce in just a matter of seconds, really. And I'm sure that you have everything right now in your kitchen to make this. So make sure you make this weekend for your next backyard barbecue. What I'm using this for tonight is I am making some delicious burgers tonight. I'm going to caramelize some onions, and I'm going to put some blue cheese and some bacon and drizzle this on top. You're welcome. And I will share this recipe with you as well. If you would like, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can get every notification that I send out. I'm going to go ahead and try it. You know I love you guys also very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.